back to the channel. So today we're on our way to Auto Mafia. Big day. We're actually gonna see what the car's making right now at higher boost. Kaleb wants to look over the tune, make sure everything's all good. I sent him a couple logs. He says the car's running really good, but he wants to put it on the dyno and see what it does. Maybe we could turn it up a little more. So excited. Car's ready to go. It's got fresh oil, good E85. Thinking so really excited. So let's go see what this car makes. He's about an hour and change from me here at the Central Florida location. Yeah, basically a mall that's still open that should be abandoned. But anyways guys, let's get the hell out of here. Hopefully we don't hit too much rain. It's that time of the year here in Florida, so let's go. It's raining there, clear there. Welcome to Florida. All right guys, so I'm literally being passed by everybody. I'm getting passed by everybody. The roads are wet. It's starting to drive a little bit, thankfully. The roads are wet. It's what it is. Oh, look, yeah. Radar's going off and I'm not even going fast. But I'm actually about to get passed by a semi. Oh, damn. Yeah, so it's starting to dry up though. So I'm really excited to see what the car actually makes. First time we were at the dyno, right after we finished the turbo install, the car made it like, I think 501 at the wheel. On low boost, it was like at 9 pounds, so it's not nothing crazy. And the second time around, we actually made less power because the car was struggling to make boost. That's before I was having issues with the wastegates, the crappy, you know, eBay wastegates that came with this setup. You guys seen the video. If you haven't, check it out. I replaced those. I got some real deal tiles. I got a real deal boost controller now. So the boost is coming in differently. Boost comes in a little sooner, but it also doesn't come in as hard. So it's a little more linear, but not crazy. Where it still comes in hard, but it softens it up a little bit. Which that's probably better for the engine, anyways. Instead of just open wastegate, just as soon as with spring only, boom, and that's what it does. That's what it did before. So it's a little more controlled, which basically that's the boost controller doing its job. And so far it's ran great. It's ran great. The car's making good power. The car stays on power. It's not, you know, losing power up top or anything like that. It's just on there every time. So I don't know. He thinks it's making over 600. I don't know if it's making over 600. I'm thinking 550 to 570. But stupid thing. But we'll see. I guess there's only way to find out. So I'm not trying to be making around 600. 600 seems like a little much when it comes to this is still a stock engine. So, but I guess I'm not gonna be like, oh no, we're making 600. About the weather, but we're here. It's actually somewhat sunny, and we're here at Auto Mafia. I guess we'll call it the world headquarters. Yeah, Kaleb goes to school. Every time I come here, he's got some cool builds, so I want to see what he's got going on today. Every time. All right, we're here. Let's see what she does. All right, guys. So Kaleb just came out with an awesome turbo kit. It's not out yet. It's still, I guess he's finishing the design, but he's posting some pictures of it. But since, you know, a lot of people think that we're not real, you know, since we are real, Here it is right here. Pretty cool design. Extremely simple. V-band, 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 V-band. So everything needs to be done is just one header. You know, you just gotta take out one header. So I mean, the kit's not completely done. Clearly, he's gonna need the downpipe to be made. But I mean, this is a pretty simple kit. A lot simpler than mine, I'll tell you that. It looks great. I don't think it's completely 100% finished from the design. I think he said you could actually move the turbo over closer to the engine, which that V-band gives you adjustability. Pretty cool design. So a lot of this is for S197. So he's got the S550. After he finishes this one, he's gonna get finished up the S550 one, which shouldn't be too much different. Might have to change some modifications on the cold side, but other than that, it should pretty much be the same. This is gonna be a budget-friendly kit, guys. Pretty cool. You think? I don't think so.
Might be close.
I think it'll be close. It pulls, bro. When you put it.
I watched the video. We both watched it together.
When it goes, it goes. All right, guys. So we're getting started. He's setting everything up.
When you did that video, was it in third gear?
That was in fourth. Well, third and fourth.
Zach, that was in fourth gear when he did that pull.
Yeah, that was fourth gear.
That means you were doing like 160.
It was going. I stopped. You were right.
And that's after an hour and a half drive here.
Yeah.
Hot as crap. 608, son.
Damn.
Woo!
And she's happy, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, 12.2.
12.2. Right, Kaleb? It's the world's best sounding EcoBoost?
World's best
sounding
EcoBoost.
It's loud. Ooh, I can turn. It needs a turbo. Alright guys, so 600 what? 608?
608
and
562.
562 torque. Awesome numbers. Car's running good. I'm happy. He's happy. He's slow. But we're all good. No, that's Zach. There's his car. People don't know. That's Watch My Eco. He's super famous.
Super famous.
Yeah, super famous.
Super
Superstar. Anyways, guys. So hopefully he's got that turbo kit I showed. It's gonna be ready to go soon. So that's gonna make some serious power. So we're all here. We're all real people. And
no fake profiles.
Yeah, no fake profiles. Look, it's a real shop. All right, guys. So just made it home. And wanted to see what I average when it comes to, because it was wet most of the way back home, and I didn't get the car in the boost once, so kind of wanted to see what the car averages. I averaged 14.5 miles per gallon. That's pretty good. It usually averages about 11, so that's not bad. So I'm good with that. But anyways, really, honestly, I wasn't expecting that much. So I'm really happy it made what it made. I'm not touching it. I really don't think I'm gonna push the car anymore. I mean, I think I'm pushing it as much as it's gonna be pushed. But like I said, if I'm on borrowed time, I'm on borrowed time. Is what it is. I've been on borrowed time for a while, if anything. So car's running great. The tune is perfect on it. Auto Mafia, Kaleb's done such a great job tuning this car. I get zero knock. The car is not pulling timing. The car's actually adding timing. So the car's just running good. You know, so stock sealed engine, stock sealed NT82. This is not even, I haven't even messed with that. So all I've done, just I put good oil in it. I put good oil in the car, good oil in the trans, and maintain it. You know, replace it when it needs to be replaced. I try to do the trans like once a year. Probably straight up overkill, but I keep fresh oil in it. So that's what it is. I think I might be the highest horsepower stock engine S550 3.7. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look around. I'm gonna ask around, but I think that's it. But 608 wheel horsepower, I think 76 torque or 72 torque. So that's pretty good in my book. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy. This was a one and done. He was gonna, you know, tweak it around a little bit. He's like, I don't need to touch anything. The car's running good. So I'm like, I'm not gonna make you mess with it if you don't need to. So that's where we're at. It's late. It's a long drive from Kaleb's up here. It's all wet and rainy. So happy. Car's running awesome. I hope you guys stay safe. I'm telling you right now, guys, subscribe, share these videos, like them, comment, let me know what you think. And the next few videos are gonna be fun. We're traveling. We got a bunch of different cars. I mean, a bunch. Probably 6 or 7 different cars, and all fun sports cars. So stay tuned for the next videos. They're going to be a lot of fun, and there's going to be a lot of driving and a lot of mountains. So hope you guys stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.